Anyway, so ito na. So as you can see, di ba kumakalat ngayon itong eksena ng Makabayan Block with Martin Romualdez. Okay. So ito yung picture. So ayan. So ayan ang Makabayan Block represented by Raul Manuel. At sino ba itong babaeng to? So, Arlene Brosas, Franz Castro, and Raul Manuel. Gabriela Party List, Arlene Brosas, ACT Teachers Party List, Franz Castro, and Raul Manuel Kabataan Party List. So, ito yung sa Batangas. Okay? So, ayan si Speaker Martin Romualdez. Okay? So, ang kanilang tagumpay ng mga magtutubo, maraming salamat, Honorable Ferdinand Martin Romualdez. At ang organization na ito ay ang Sugar Folks Unity for Genuine Agricultural Reform, Sugar Batangas. So, yan yung organization. Sugar Folks Unity for Genuine Agricultural Reform, Sugar Batangas. So, yun yung group. So, tagumpay ng mga magtutubo. So, tandaan nyo yan ha. So, tuloy ang laban para sa mga masaganang industriya ng asukal. So, Sugar Folks Unity for Genuine Agricultural Reform, Sugar Batangas. So, ayan. So, with the Makabayan Block, diba? So, nandiyan din si Elizalde Co, diba? O Martin Romualdez, diba? So, gusto daw nilang i-represent ang interest ng Sugar Folks Unity for Genuine Agricultural Reform, Sugar Batangas. So ano nga ba ang kagustuhan ng Sugar Folks for Genuine Agricultural Reform ng Sugar Batangas? So, ito po, okay, sa Verify, meron pong sinabi ang Sugar Folks Unity for Genuine Agricultural Reform Batangas. Ito po ang kanilang kahilingan. The Sugar Folks for Genuine Agricultural Reform Batangas today urge the government to take over the operations of the Central Azucarera, de San Pedro, CADP in Batangas to salvage and strengthen the sugar industry and not to rely on imports for our sugar needs. So, tandaan niyo yung pangalan na Central Azucarera de San Pedro Incorporated or CADP in Batangas. So, gusto daw nila itong organization na to na kung saan bida-bida si Martin Romualdez at Makabayan Block, ay gusto daw nila i-take over ng government yung operations ng CADP, ang Central Azucarera de San Pedro Incorporated CADP, para daw ma-strengthen ang sugar industry at wag nang mag-rely ng imports. So, syempre, tambay tayo sa kanto, tayo nagtataka, kaya nagtatanong, diba? So ngayon, sino ngayon ang may-ari ng Central Azucarera de San Pedro Incorporated CADP? Tada! Ang Rojas Holdings Incorporated. See? Kita niyo yan? Central Azucarera Don San Pedro Incorporated CADP. So Rojas Holdings Incorporated has interest in sugar milling and refinery, ethanol, and agribusiness, which are grouped categorically in the following: Central Azucarera Don San Pedro Incorporated or CADP. Diba? Ayan o. CADP operates sugar mill and a refinery in Nasugbo, Batangas. So, Rojas Holdings Incorporated ang merong sa CADP. Okay? Yan yung hinihiling na i-take over ng Sugar Folks Unity for Genuine Agricultural Batangas, ang CADP. Okay? Central Azucarera de San Pedro CADP. At yan ang pinapanawagan nito na kunwari tagumpay ng mga magtutubo. Maraming salamat, Honorable Ferdinand Martin Romualdez. Emerut. Emerut. Guys, naniniwala ba kayo na kayang i-represent ni Martin Romualdez ang interes ng Sugar Folks for Genuine Agricultural Reform, Sugar Batangas laban sa Rojas Holdings Incorporated? Do you really believe that? At ang nakakaloka, itong Makabayan Block, they are making the sugar folks for Unity for Genuine Agriculture Reform, Sugar Batangas, they're making them believe, itong Makabayan Block, na kaya ni Martin Romualdez sa banggain ng Rojas Holdings. Hindi ba kabarkada? Katsikahan, kaututang dila ni Martin Romualdez si Mar Rojas? So, naglolokohan lang sila. At ang Makabayan Block ay instrumento sa pakikipaglokohan. For what? Yun lang po. At maraming salamat. At good night.